Michael. Oh. Oh. Michael wants to sit. Oh. Dude, I was about to be hit. I was like this close to being hit. Go, Simon, go! Go, Simon, go! Go, Simon, go! Look at them playing together. Come on, Michael. Yeah, fox. Luke? Alright, you guys, what's up? So, oh boy, it looks like it's gonna rain. So, I'm gonna tell you about Michael. See, Michael is that yellow dog. He is a labo bull. You can look it up on Google, and labo bulls look just like this. He is like Lukey here, but he has more pit in him and he's more aggressive. See, Michael has been abused. What's wrong? Stepping. Yeah, Michael has been abused by his ex mom. Hey, no biting. And Michael likes to be a little roughhouse. Michael, no bite. Lukey, no bite. Michael, no bite. Hey. Oh boy. Oh no. Okay, hold up. Wait a minute. Alright. Michael done put Lukey to the ground. Did y'all see that? Oh boy. Hey! We need to teach him how to stop playing so aggressive. Hey! Woo! Boys! Hey! Calm down! Looky, hey! Michael! No. No pinning Looky to the ground. Looky, you alright? Yeah, I know. Sorry if I keep pointing my camera the wrong way. I'm trying to make sure that these dogs are alive. So like I was saying before things went wild, jeez. Michael has been abused by his ex, mom. He is no longer in her care anymore. She has been reported, and she beat it poor Michael with a frying pan. And when my mother other got out of him so she could take him away, Michael, get off, Michael. Oh boy. Michael likes to jump on Lukey with his big old feet. Michael, no, Michael. So, Michael, Adam, chill. Gotta tell him no. Come here. No jumping on Luke. No, no. No jumping on Luke. I know, Dad, you are tall, but you need to... Oh my God, dude. Yeah, so poor Michael, he has been in abuse. He had a red mark on his eye. And she done beat him. She done cussed at him, yelled at him. And the reason why Michael barks is because he doesn't understand things. Michael! But he does. He is potty trained. He's potty trained. He doesn't like no. Oh, look at that. He's a cutie. What you doing? Laying down. Yeah. So Michael doesn't like loud noises. I literally have to come out here to tell him to go potty because he is scared of loud noises. Yeah. But, you know, he is getting a brand new life. He likes it here. He likes to play. And he got himself all dirty after my mother cleaned him. But don't worry, we have wipes, so I'll clean that off. Michael, really? Getting yourself all dirty after my mother washed you? That's what dogs like to do. They like to get all dirty. Looky, come on. Looky. Come on, boy. Yeah. So, yeah, that's why we brought Michael here, because Michael was abused in meeting, and he's scaresome. And if you look up about labo bulls, they are actually scared of stuff. Come on. Yeah. All right. Come on, Simon. Simon? Simon, come. Michael, leave Simon alone. I'm checking my shoes. Make sure I ain't got no dump on them. I try to avoid that. Come on, Lukey. Let's go. Luke said, I am going to stay out here. Alright, I don't see any diggy paws. Michael, you are a trip when you go outdoors. And you too, Foxy boy. There's Luke. Come on, Luke. No, Michael. Lukey, come. Come on. Now. Lukey, come on. In the house. Come on. I got some pizza. You want a slice of pizza? Come on. 2:34, let's go. Any day now. Thank you. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is why my video schedule with Gotcha Club and all my other videos have been a little delayed because we gotten him. He came here last month. Michael! No! He does respond to a firm voice. So when you tell him no, he will stop. He does know how to sit. Watch. Sit! And you want some water? Sit! Michael, sit! Oh. Michael said, I'm tired. Yeah, you done jumped on Luke. Oh, should kick his paws in. You know they did it. You smell doo-doo, Fox? My mother, he smells like our shampoo, but got him all clean. And you know, like I said about dogs, they like getting themselves so dirty. So let me get a wipe. Anyway, like I was saying, Michael has been abused. He's been hurt. And he also has a little cut on his nose. Since, come here, Mike. Michael, Adam. Come here. Yeah, you see he has a little cut on his nose. And he has a hard time trusting my dad. He does know how to bark. Like I said, he barks at things when he's scared. He doesn't know what it is. So that's why. But other than that, I think he'll grow up to be a good dog. He's a year and a half. Sit. And he knows the commands to sit, wait, stay. We're trying to teach him. He is exactly like Luke when he was 1. He was all frisky and he'll trip you up and he'll still do that. But Lukey is less frisky now because he's 2. I think when Michael turns 2, he'll chill out. Look at him. Lukey did not like Michael at the very first sight, but since they play with each other, and now they get along. Lukey now has the responsibility of taking care of Michael. And so does Fox. Little Simon right here. Hey! Get off! Get off! Alright, you guys, so it's 2:38 and I need to make some bread to go with our dinner that we're having. And I need to take care of these free dogs. I'll try and get a video. Well, look, I'm already making one. Really? Don't lick the white. Whites are not good for you to lick. Hey, no bite. And he has that problem too. When you want us, you play with them or pet him. He likes to bite. You know, just puppy habits. And we're trying to get him a little fattened up. We have puppy O'Roy for him so we can give to him. Don't lick like the white juice. You just like Luke, always licking stuff. But you're so good boy. Yeah, you can tell that he is a pit for sure. Yes. We need to get him all fattened up. We're giving him 2.5 scoops, of dog food. We're trying to feed him 3 times a day, which we are. Other than that, he's happy being here. He just needs to learn how to stop being so scarce. Stop that! That is white juice. It's not for dogs. Oh my goodness. Other than that, as long as they're getting along and not being so aggressive and growling at each other, then they're okay. Alright, I need to give them some water. Yeah, I need to give 3 of them some water. Alright. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Michael. Say bye-bye, Luke. Bye. Say bye to the audience. Fox like, leave me alone. Bye-bye. Alright, let me zoom out so I can take a little thumbnail picture. It's making. Alright, peace.